Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Model paper number 69. The theory of clash of civilization was presented by Samuel P. Huntington. Person name is Samuel P. Huntington. दोबारा सुने. Theory of clash of civilization was presented by Samuel P. Huntington. The International Kyoto Protocol, that is environmental protection, the territory of Germany, France and Japan, all of the above countries. Okay, दोबारा सुन लें. Kyoto Protocol, an international environmental protection territory that belong to Germany, France and Japan. Okay, next one, under which of the following case it was decided that no judge of superior court can be sent to the federal Shariat court without his consent. That is Al Jihad Trust case 1996. Al Jihad Trust case 1996. Al Jazeera television belong to Qatar. Al Jazeera television network is belong to Qatar. Which country is situated below the sea level? That is Holland or Netherlands. In Pakistan, the largest share of electricity comes from the source of thermal. United Nations Chief Weapons Inspector Hans Blinks belongs to Sweden. United Nations Chief Weapons Inspector Hans Blinks belongs to Sweden. Preemptive attack. Preemptive attack is an attack before enemy's attack. Preemptive attack का मतलब होता है attack before enemy's attack. Which of the following gases is mainly causing global warming? That is carbon dioxide. In South Asia, the highest per capita income is in Sri Lanka. The headquarter of Arab League is in Cairo. Which of the following three countries have abolished death penalty for all offence during 2002? That is Turkey, Tanzania and Mexico. According to latest research, global warming could increase temperature on Earth at least 1 degree centigrade in 50 years. हर 50 साल बाद 1 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड बढ़ जाएगा. Which international organization was founded on 25th May 1981? That is a Gulf Cooperation Council. Which international organization was founded on 25th May 1981? That is a Gulf Cooperation Council. Next one. Under the Prohibition of Smoking and Protection of Non-Smoker Ordinance, the sale of cigarette is prohibited in Pakistan under the age of 18. 18 साल से कम उम्र के बच्चों को सिगरेट सेल नहीं किया जाएगा. Next one. Which of the following historical monument was built in 1642? That is a शालीमार बाग. शालीमार बाग 1642 में ईस्वी में बनाया गया. किसने बनाया? शाहजहां ने बनाया. यूनाइटेड स्टेट इन्वेंटर Martin Cooper invented mobile phone in 1973. Martin Cooper ने 1973 में मोबाइल फोन इजाद किया. The largest coal reserve in Pakistan have recently been discovered in the district of Tharparkar. Anemia is a bloodlessness. The world's largest natural gas depositor is the USA. Which country's parliament is called Jatiya Sangsad? That is a Bangladesh. Jatiya Sangsad बांग्लादेश के पार्लियामेंट को कहा जाता है. The lowest point on earth is a Dead Sea. The lowest point on Earth is a Dead Sea. Petra is the news agency of Jordan. Petra is the news agency of Jordan. Abu Rayhan al-Biruni was a great mathematician, astronomer and physician. al-Biruni जो थे वो एक मशहूर mathematician, astronomer और physician थे. ठीक है. The headquarter of International Environmental Organization Greenpeace is situated at Amsterdam. Headquarter of International Environmental Organization Greenpeace are situated at Amsterdam. The oldest among the 7 wonders is the Pyramid of Egypt. Modem of a computer is a unit that enable a computer to be linked to other computer over a telephone line. Okay. The world's largest desert is a Sahara. Asmara is the capital of Eritrea. Asmara, A-S-M-A-R, Asmara is the capital of Eritrea. In chronological order, which of the following personalities come first? That is a Socrates. In chronological order, which of the following personalities come first? That is a Socrates. Plato, Aristotle और Epicurus में Socrates सबसे पहले आएंगे. Israel snatched golden high in 1967 from Syria. इसराइल ने गोल्डन हाई 1967 में किससे छीन लिया? सीरिया से. What is the range of Shaheen 1 missile of Pakistan? That is a 750 km. Alexandria is a seaport of Misr. Cyprus was divided into Greek and Turkish parts in 1974. Cyprus was divided into Greek and Turkish parts in 1974. Next one, in violation of Indus Basin Treaty 1960, India has planned Baglihar Dam on river of Chenab. 1960 का जो 67 का मुआहिदा था, इंडिया ने उसकी पासदारी ना करते हुए बगलीहार डैम दरियाई चनाब पे बना लिया. द लार्जेस्ट अमंग ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ गैलेक्सी. व्हाट इज साइन फैन? A Sinn Féin is a political party of Northern Ireland. A Sinn Féin is a political party of Northern Ireland. Rand is a currency of South Africa. How many times Pakistan has been elected a non-permanent member of United Nations Security Council? That is a 7 मरतबा. हम 7 मरतबा यूनाइटेड नेशन के नॉन परमानेंट मेंबर बन चुके हैं. इन साउथ एशिया द हाईएस्ट इन्फेंट मोर्टेलिटी रेट इज इन बांग्लादेश. इन साउथ एशिया द हाईएस्ट इन्फेंट मोर्टेलिटी रेट इज इन Bangladesh. The power generating capacity of Ghazi Brotha project is 1450 megawatt. The power generating capacity of Ghazi Brotha project would be 1450 megawatt. Tea plant was first grown in India. Tartus is a seaport of Syria. Tartus is a seaport of Syria. In the Muslim world, the highest per capita income is recorded in Kuwait. In Muslim world, the highest per capita income is in Kuwait. U.S. naval base Guantanamo Bay is located in Cuba. SARS, S-A-R-S, SARS stands for Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome. SARS stands for Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome. In which of the following South Asian country the political structure is unitary? Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and Maldives. In which of the following South Asian country the political structure is unitary? That is in thrice of these: Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and Maldives. Boy Scout movement. Boy Scout movement was founded by Robert Baden-Powell in 1908. Robert Baden-Powell in 1908. Next one, who administrated the oath of office to Liaquat Ali Khan as the Prime Minister of Pakistan? That is the Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. The world's longest glacier is the Lambert Glacier that is situated in Antarctica, and it contains 300 mile. Okay, 300 mile length. McMahon Line is the boundary between China and India. Aeroflot is the airline of Russia. Aeroflot, A-E-R-O-F-L-O-T, Aeroflot is the airline of Russia. Pakistan peacekeeping troops have served under United Nations in Congo, Sierra Leone and Haiti. दोबारा सुने, Pakistan peacekeeping troops have served under United Nations in Congo, Haiti and Sierra Leone. Next one, Pakistan has now become world's 5th largest producer of cotton. Pakistan has now become the world's 5th largest producer of cotton. The discovery of radium in 1898 led to the invention of X-ray machine. The discovery of radium in 1898 led to the invention of X-ray machine. A ruling dynasty of India from 1290 to 1320 ईस्वी was खलीजी डायनेस्टी. दोबारा सुने, द रूलिंग डायनेस्टी ऑफ इंडिया फ्रॉम 1290 से 1320 तक कौन सी थी? खलीजी डायनेस्टी. World oldest national anthem is of Japan. Kohat Tunnel Project. Kohat Tunnel Project is being completed with the financial assistance of Japan. Kohat Tunnel Project is being completed with the financial assistance of Japan. Next one, penology. Penology is the study of criminal punishment and its effect on culprits. Penology is the study of criminal punishment and its effect on culprits. The world's most populous city is Tokyo. दुनिया का सबसे मशहूर तरीन शहर टोक्यो है. The only spy museum has recently been opened in Moscow. The only spy museum has recently been opened in Moscow. United Nations High Commissioner for Human Rights Sergio De Milo belongs to Brazil. Which of the following international organization has no headquarter? That is a G8. G8 का कोई हेडक्वार्टर नहीं है. दुनिया की सबसे पुरानी written language Chinese. The world largest mammal is blue whale. The world largest mammal is blue whale. Next one, when two or more political parties combine to form a government, that is called coalition government. दोबारा सुने, the two or more political parties combine to form a government, that is called the coalition government. Which country has the largest number of internet users in the world? That is China. The first South Asian Federation Games were held in 1987 in Kathmandu. The first South Asian Federation Games were held in 1987 at Kathmandu. Next one, which is the following Gulf states has recently adopted as a written constitution? That is Qatar. The world's largest bay is the Hudson Bay. The world's largest bay is the Hudson Bay. Which capital city is situated at highest altitude? That is La Paz. The world's longest mountain range is the Andes. A-N-D-E-S. The world's longest mountain range is the Andes. Next one, which country is called the land of cakes? That is Scotland. Scotland is called the land of cakes. Scotland is called the land of cakes. World largest bicycle manufacturer is China. Next one, Antara. Antara is the news agency of Indonesia. Antara is the news agency of Indonesia. The 10th meeting of OIC held in Doha. The line of control in Kashmir was recognized through Shimla Agreement in 1972. पहले उसका नाम सीज़ फायर लाइन था जो 1949 में बनाई गई, और फिर उसका लाइन ऑफ कंट्रोल जो कि अब कश्मीर में 720 किलोमीटर। ड्रैगन एयर इज़ द एयरलाइन ऑफ हांगकॉन्ग। ड्रैगन एयर इज़ द एयरलाइन ऑफ हांगकॉन्ग। कायद आज़म मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना द स्टोरी ऑफ नेशन इज़ द बायोग्राफी ऑफ कायद आज़म रिटन बाय हेक्टर बोलिथो। कायद आज़म जिन्ना द स्टोरी ऑफ नेशन इज़ द बायोग्राफी ऑफ कायद आज़म रिटन बाय हेक्टर बोलिथो। विच वन ऑफ द not official language of United Nations, that is a German. A Swiss scientist A.L. Burgert was an inventor of watch. A Swiss scientist A.L. Burgert was the inventor of watch. Iraq's old name was Mesopotamia. Iraq's old name was Mesopotamia, while Turkey's old name was Constantinople. ठीक है। Bacteria is the old name of Afghanistan. BACTRIA. Bacteria is the old name of Afghanistan. A great traveler Ibn Battuta belonged to Morocco. A great traveler Ibn Battuta belonged to Morocco. The first international airline operated its first flight in 1920 was KLM Netherlands. The population of the Muslim in the world is around 1.3 billion. The Statue of Liberty was presented to the United Nations by the people of France. The United States government has recently allocated $5 billion for the Millennium Challenge account to fight global poverty. Which is the lightest of all the gases, that is a hydrogen. Hydrogen is the lightest gas among all of the following. Among SAARC countries, the smallest by area and population is a Maldives. After United States of America, the largest number of atomic reactor is in Russia. And the last one, which of the following Mughal emperor was born at Lahore in 1592? That is a Shah Jahan. Which of the following Mughal emperor was born at Lahore in 1592? That his name is Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan को एक और नाम भी दिया जाता है, the King of Builders. Thank you.